Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to do a Target haul. Target Fidget Haul actually, because I had a gift card that I got for my birthday from my grandma. And I'm gonna show you what I got. Two things that I got were some pop tubes. I have a yellow one and a pink one. And I got get it off. Well, I'm gonna get back to that later. And then another thing that I got is like these gummy gloves, sticky stress balls. And they also glow in the dark. And stick it, stretch it, squish it, glow in the dark. And this is not food. This is just like playing something, fidget, candy, whatever. and they do stick. And we got like the blue and green. And like this is like a Ziploc bag so that I can keep them in there. But then I'm gonna bunch all of them up. That's cool. And I also got this Pop-It. It's shaped like a rainbow. Looks like a pastel rainbow, actually. Here it is. It's definitely quiet on this side, and the other side is definitely loud, I bet. Okay, it is kind of quiet, but it is super duper fun. And I also got a Pop-It ball. There was like a whole entire like fresh stock of them. And like apparently there's a couple to collect. Well, only 4 of them. And this is, and they all have like certain names for them. And this one is called Ice Cream Swirl. And I was actually looking for this one because I actually seen these like on the internet and stuff. And I was looking for a certain one, and like I picked up one and wasn't, and I picked up one way in the back, and I was like, oh, it was super funny. Well, I guess you might have to be there though. And it's like in this little baggie. I guess to keep it clean. Yeah. It's good pop. Oh. Well. They do pop back up. Okay. Boom. And it said you could also bounce it too. Oh, it definitely bounces. I also have another Pop-It ball. It's like purple, pink, and white, and it also lights up. It's pretty cool. And another one, well, the one that I just said is another one that I have. And then I have this octopus spinner. It's pink on this side, and then it's green on this side too. You can see it right there. So, gotta figure out how I'm supposed to open it. And also has like different faces on it. But first I'm gonna pop it. And here's the other side. And you can also spin it. You get like a certain face. That's all the faces. And yeah, that's my haul. And that's all for today. Bye-bye.